Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Today we are going to make strawberry milk toast. This is so good to have on those rare days when you're craving something sweet. It's definitely not the healthiest option since we are going to add quite a lot of butter and sugar to it, but trust me, it tastes absolutely delicious. To make this toast, first we will add less than 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan, spread it, and then add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. When it starts to melt, we will add some strawberries that we have cut into small pieces and we'll saute them on a medium flame for about a minute. After that, we will add 2 teaspoons of sugar and continue to saute the strawberries for another 2 to 3 minutes until they become soft and release their juices. Once done, we keep it aside. Now in a separate bowl, we will add 1 cup of milk, half cup of condensed milk and mix together well and keep it aside. Now we take 2 slices of bread and start by spreading butter on both the sides. On one of the slices, we will start spreading the strawberry mixture evenly and then place the other slice on top of it. We will also spread a bit of butter on top slice for that extra richness. Next, we will add a little more butter to the pan. Place the sandwich in and toast it on both sides until golden brown. Making sure to add a little more butter if needed for that extra crisp. Once the toast is nicely done, we will start pouring half of the milk mixture over it, allowing the bread to soak up all the milk. Once the milk is nicely absorbed, we will flip the toast and pour the remaining milk over it and make sure the bread absorbs all that sweet, creamy goodness. And there you have, our delicious strawberry milk toast is ready. The strawberry milk toast is such a treat. It's buttery, creamy and the strawberries just add the right amount of tanginess. It's not something you will want to have every day, but when you do, it's a pure comfort food bliss. Try it out and let me know what you think of this strawberry milk toast recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.